Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Has it ever happened to you when you turn on the faucet, water splashes from around the faucet head or water pressure drops drastically? That's exactly the problem we're going to solve today. In this tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to fix it. Tools you'll need: an adjustable wrench and a needle. Take a close look at the flat edge of the faucet head. This part is designed for the wrench to grip and unscrew the faucet aerator. Now, from another angle, you can see it clearly. Place the wrench on the two edges of the faucet head and gently turn it counterclockwise to loosen it by about one full turn. Once it's loose, you can unscrew it by hand. As you can see, inside the faucet head, before the cartridge, there is a lot of scale and mineral deposits that block the water from flowing at high pressure. These deposits usually come from corroded pipes, and with this trick, your water pressure will be several times stronger. First, wash away the debris by turning on the water slightly, so the remaining particles around it are also flushed out. Next, press the cartridge filter out of its metal casing. Now the cartridge is clean. You'll notice that the filter has very tiny holes where small stones sometimes get stuck. Use the tip of a needle to carefully remove them. After this, the filter will be clean and ready to reinstall. Place the cartridge filter back into the metal casing in the indicated direction. Then insert a plastic washer that matches the cartridge diameter into the metal casing. Finally, screw the faucet head back onto the faucet by hand, making sure it's straight and turning it clockwise. Once it's hand-tight, use the wrench again on the marked grooves to fully tighten it and prevent water leakage. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and now you can save yourself from low water pressure or leaking faucets. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do it now. We have many more exciting and practical videos coming your way. And if you want to be among the first to know when we post new videos, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.